Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to navigate the 2026 Crypto.com interface to initiate a transfer, focusing on the technical movements required to access your funds and move them into a professional banking environment. First, locate the Accounts Management Hub. The first step is a mechanical necessity for 2026 asset management. You need to move from the candid home feed into the high-end technical hub where your professional bookkeeping is stored. From the main home tab, look at the top navigation bar. Tap or click on the Accounts tab. In 2026, the Accounts tab serves as your studio control center. It technically separates your trading activities from your actual held balances, providing a clear view of your liquid assets for your market analysis. Next, identify your high-end fiat asset. Once you are in the Accounts hub, you must technically distinguish between your crypto holdings and your spendable candid currency. Scroll through your list of accounts to locate your USD account or your local fiat equivalent. Your 2026 USD account is where your realized gains are stored after a sale. Identifying this correctly is a professional standard that ensures you aren't technically trying to withdraw from a volatile crypto wallet directly. Next, access the Technical Action menu. To trigger a withdrawal in 2026, you need to access the hidden technical layer of your specific fiat account. Look to the right of your USD account balance and click the three dots icon, More. From the resulting drop-down menu, select the Withdraw option. The three dots icon is a 2026 mechanical necessity for a clean studio interface. It technically houses all outbound movements, allowing you to candidly choose between internal transfers or external bank withdrawals without cluttering your main view. Selecting Withdraw from this dropdown technically primes the 2026 engine to connect with your external professional banking network. Once you click Withdraw, you will be technically prompted to enter the amount and verify your destination bank account. This specific navigation path ensures that your 2026 bookkeeping is aligned and the system is technically ready to perform the high-end security checks required for a professional transfer. And that's pretty much it. To start your withdrawal, go to the Home tab and select Accounts from the top navigation. Locate your USD account, click the three dots icon to reveal the technical menu, and select Withdraw from the dropdown. This professional workflow is the most direct technical path to moving your 2026 market analysis profits from the Studio app to your real-world bank account. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.